Well, here's the quick walkabout showing that it is just about ready and done. Here's my helper, Coco the dog. We got all the baseboards caulked in, all the way around. All the trim in, nail holes filled. Doors are all in, yay! Remodeled bathroom. Done. Coco the dog, always with me. And in the bedrooms, trim is all in, nail holes filled. Doors all up, closets installed. Coco the dog. I'm missing one connector for the baseboard, you can see there. I gotta get that in the morning. And then the last bedroom. All done. Yay. And back out into the hallway. Entryway. All repainted, nice and white and bright. New vinyl. And all the way down. Well, that's about it for the upstairs. I forgot, there is something downstairs that was done today. The laundry room. Another item done. Well, that's about it. Bye.